6 days ago, I did my mom's nails with Glow from Le Mini Macaron, and the link to the full video is in the description box in case you're interested. So this is 6 days, and I have to say I'm actually impressed because the color actually hasn't faded as much. So that's a very good thing. You can't really see it maybe right now, but outside you can still see that the color is brighter. So it hasn't faded to like a completely clear. Can you see? Actually, I'm going to take it off and then compare hands, and you can see. Actually, we can see because that's my impression, but we'll see what the nails look like when I remove the polish. Okay, so this one has the polish removed and this one doesn't. So as you can see, this one is still a little bit pinkier and definitely more shiny. So I'm pleased. So I'm curious what you guys think. Overall, this is a yes from me. So the pros and the cons. Number one, I think it's a good price. The bottle is 10 mils, which is 0.33 ounces, and the bottle costs about $11. So it's not cheap, but it's not $30 like Dior Nail Glow. So it's 1/3 of the price, really. Number two, it dries very fast, I would say. 2 coats took about 2 to 3 minutes to dry, which is excellent. Number three, the pink hue actually lasted. The nails stayed bright for 6 days. There was no yellowing whatsoever. Number four, the glow lasted. It was quite bright at the beginning, which is very normal for all these polishes, but it faded to a natural bright look. So it's still at the end of the 6 days looked a little bit brighter, not completely clear outside. Inside looks clear. Number five, it contains acrylein, which is a sunscreen, but really it helps the polish not to fade. And that ingredient is in the middle of the ingredient list. It's actually before the fluorescent brightener 367, which that's the ingredients that makes this nail polish glow. Number six, it stayed on without peeling, despite of the fact that my mom works with her hands quite a bit. She doesn't wear gloves when she's doing dishes. Mind you, her nails are healthy as well. They're pretty good, but still, it lasted 6 days. Now the cons. Number one, it contains nitrocellulose, which pretty much all the polishes do. It's very difficult to find polish that does not contain nitrocellulose. And nitrocellulose actually can yellow the nails over time. And I have a link in the description box. Chemist explains how that happens. Number two, I don't like the fact that the ingredients are not listed on their website. I had to dig for them. And thankfully, Ulta, thank you so much, Ulta, had the ingredients on their website. Number three, I'm not a huge fan of the marketing that they use. It says it contains citric acid to help neutralize yellow, discolored, and stained nails for a healthy and whitening effect. And actually, citric acid doesn't do that. I know people think that lemons somehow brighten the nails, but they don't. Citric acid doesn't. And you can actually test that very quickly by dipping your hands in some water mixed with citric acid. It's not going to brighten your nails. So the ingredient that I mentioned earlier, the fluorescent brightener 367, is what makes this nail polish glow. But overall, I really enjoyed this polish, and I'm curious what you guys think.